Hi guys, I'm Flora from Bioslimming Cosmetics, and today I'm going to show you how to use your Bioslimming Trio. So usually your spa will recommend the home care after you've completed your sessions. You can do maybe one session and do the home care, or you can complete all your sessions from a package and then do the home care. Usually the spas include the home care within the package. Just ask them about it, and if you cannot locate a spa near you, feel free to order it online. Okay, you have three steps: step 1, step 2, and step 3. So for the upper arms, which I'm going to demonstrate right now, I'm going to use the step 2 and the step 3. I'm going to apply a little bit of active sim cream. Okay, so you can really focus where you need it the most. Okay, and massaging. All right, so once you're done, you can massage until it's almost absorbed. And take a small amount. Okay, really small, you see, and then I'm gonna apply it on top. Then the saran wrap, so like that it doesn't go on my clothes. And there we go. Okay, just cover a little bit, and then you can leave it on for 30 minutes. So then I'm gonna do the other arm. Just gonna use a glove. You don't have to use gloves, but you can. You know, if you cannot wash your hands right away. I'm gonna apply the next step, the step 2. So that one is for the arms, upper body. And then we're gonna massage again. So I'll show you guys. So you really want to massage until it's fully penetrated at home. And try to do a strong massage. So on the arms, it's not always easy. But on the legs, just use your thumb and go up. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm going to take the Ultra Slim Effect. I'm going to apply a tiny bit, you see? And then I'm just going to cover. And then I'm just going to cover it. Da-da-da. And then usually what I will do the same for the rest of the body, of course. And then I will wear sport pants and, you know, cook or go for a walk, nobody can see. And that's it. So you can see already, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's getting red. Can you guys see? So I just remove the wrap. Okay, so everything usually gets into the skin. If not, you can always, you know, remove the excess. The Bioslimming Trio, that's pretty much it. Just remember to use the step 1 for the lower part, thighs, legs, buttocks, massage in, and then use the step 3 for lower part. For the upper body, for the arms, stomach, hips, you will use step 2, massage well, you know, use your thumb, grab your fat, and then use step 3, and you're going to see a huge improvement on the area where your fat has accumulated, and also on your cellulite marks. And I wish you great success. And if you're looking for to have additional or more dramatic results, you can always locate a spa and have your bioslimming wrap done by your professional. See you guys soon. Bye.